You guys, last week in our digital growth community, we had a man that's 64 years old. He learned how to do digital marketing and he has a faceless account and he made $2,700 last week. I am so excited for him. Can you imagine how life-changing to make $2,700 in a week at 64 years old? So I keep telling y'all, it is never too late. It doesn't matter if you're in your 40s, your 50s, your 60s. It's not too late to begin. So if you're new here, my name is Casey Humphrey. 2 years ago, I was bored, lonely, and depressed as an empty nester, and I discovered a blueprint online that showed me how to work 2 hours a day from my phone making daily pay. The blueprint that I follow shows you step by step exactly how to set up your online automated business, just like the gentleman I'm talking about, and learn how to make daily pay. I didn't have any tech skills, and I did not have to set up my own website. So if you want to learn how to do faceless digital marketing like he did, and learn how to make $2,700 a week, how life-changing would that be? Put yes in the comments and I'll be happy to share it.